What's up everybody, welcome back to another episode of Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Today we're going to be installing a We Are Likewise shift knob on my Scion FRS. We've got the Thicc Boi, we've got it in stainless steel, and just right off the bat you can see it is very nice. It's extremely heavy. It's going to feel a lot better in the car. Now I do drive an automatic car, but this will kind of set off the interior. I got this used from my friend Jackson on Instagram. His name is Fake STI. I'll put a link in the description below to his. But a huge shout out to him. It's in perfect condition. All I had to do was order the adapter for my car for the automatic FRS. And we also ordered a shift boot retainer from We Are Likewise as well. And it also came with a cool little instruction manual. So we'll get a little bit more into that, but let's go install this in the car. Now the first step is pretty obvious, but we're going to want to remove our stock shift knob. So all you got to do is give it a nice little twist over. So once you unscrew it, this little piece will just pop out from under your shift boot, and we'll set this one over to the side, and we'll jump in to see how we install the new one. So the cool thing about the We Are Likewise brand is when they send you your hardware, all you have to do is take out your phone and scan the QR code, and it'll bring up them in the web browser, and it'll give you a few little installation tips for the Disco Biscuit, which are these guys right here, which is our shift knob adapter. And all you gotta do is kind of click through their videos, and they'll give you a brief little rundown, but we'll go ahead and jump on the next step. So the first part we're going to put on is our shift boot retainer. It's a pretty nice little metal piece here. It's even got the Likewise brand on there, so this is pretty simple. This is going to replace what's on the bottom of the stock shift knob here, which actually will hold the boot up onto the new shift knob. So basically all we'll have to do is this is going to screw right onto the top of our shifter here. And once you get it all the way down, this little piece will pull right over the bottom of this. So this is what it looks like when you actually get it on there. I just used two hands and pulled it up so the shift boot went right around it. And you can, once we get the shift knob on there, we'll be able to put this in the right direction that we want it to face. So the next pieces we're going to put on are our adapters. Now, they have these on their website. They're called Disco Biscuits, and they'll make them specifically for the application that you need. So this one, for instance, is for our automatic transmission here. So we've got two pieces. We'll start with the big one here. This will just screw directly down on our shifter here. We'll tighten that in a second, and then we'll take our second piece, the smaller piece here, and this will go right on top of that. And then we should be able to get our Thicc Boi shift knob, this guy right here, on top of here, right after we tighten those up. So now we'll go ahead and put our Thicc Boi shift knob on there. This thing weighs 500 grams and is extremely heavy. So I could see how this is going to feel really cool once it's actually on there. But we'll just screw that directly on. And just like that, we got our We Are Likewise shift knob on there. Now I'll get this nice and straight to where it looks even. Boom, just like that, we are on. This is super slick. I really like the look of it, and the little shift boot retainer at the bottom just kind of sets it off with the Likewise logo. I think I'm really going to enjoy this. Now the only question is this going to get extremely hot in the sun? I'll be able to give you a review on that next summer if it starts getting hot again. But anyways, hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. If you are thinking about getting one of these shift knobs, I highly recommend it. The quality is extremely nice. It fits on there extremely well. And I don't know, they're all over Instagram, so I'll put a link in the description below. But I hope you guys do enjoy today's video. Make sure you go check out We Are Likewise on Instagram. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.